Hey everyone, and welcome back. Let me show you how to use Intercom for lead nurturing. First, capture leads with chat. Add a custom bot that asks visitors what they need and collects their email. Now, create segments. Go to contacts and build segments like trial users, day 3 inches or LED, viewed pricing page. This helps you send the right message at the right time. Use automations. Set up a sequence that triggers when someone signs up. Send a welcome email immediately, a feature tip on day 2, and a case study on day 5. Send targeted messages. For leads who viewed pricing but didn't buy, send a limited time discount offer or schedule a demo link. Use outbound chats. Start a conversation with high-value leads manually. Ask if they have questions and offer help. Track lead activity. See which emails they opened, which pages they visited, and how engaged they are. When a lead is ready, tag them as sales qualified and assign them to your sales team. And that's it. With segmentation, automations, and targeted messages, you can nurture leads and close more deals. If you nurture leads in Intercom, let me know your best tip in the comments. See you in the next one.